Alright, YouTube, Tuesday, I think just a little bit afternoon now. Real warm day today. Yesterday was pretty decent, but real strong wind. I had a few customers to deal with earlier in the day, and by then it was time for me to get up and do my house chores. It was the wife's birthday yesterday, and I had my niece's birthday Sunday, and we were gone there all day, so I haven't been able to get back down here. Then this morning I was just about ready to start working on these, and I got looking at trims laying everywhere, and there was over 100 boards leaned up against that tree over there, that little white oak that I'm gonna chop down. But yeah, so I just trudged through it and got it done, been putting away. Then I was working on those. I had a guy show up and trade me a little 97 RT 100 dirt bike for, I had 46 1x6s there in Cottonwood. He only needed 40 of them to make the 200 bucks he wanted for the bike, so I just gave him all of them. Figured I wasn't gonna sit there, and now I can turn that stack into something else. But alright, so anyways, I'm just gonna turn these into blocking. I think those are just 2 old black oaks. I'll just probably just shave the shit off them and decide something to do with them later. And then these 2 here are really ugly. We'll figure it out. There we go. Alright everyone, I'm going to hold off on milling any more of these logs until I get some of this picked up now. I ended up starting milling before I picked up after the trims, and probably shouldn't have did that. I started seeing that I was getting short on time for the bus being home, and I want to be up there when the kids get home to see the dirt bike in the driveway, so you know, can't miss that. But wow, that pulled out some nice boards. That log was only 54 inches, but somebody will buy those pieces. I'll bring them back and take that rod off them and throw them up in the building with the other short shit. I sold last year a lot of short shit, so these are all just a little heavy 1 inch. That's what I got my pole on right now. Is everything is, I don't know what, probably a 16th heavy. I cut it. I should probably be going 1 1/8 or 1 1/4 on that oak because it shrinks so much, but oh well. Alright everyone, I appreciate you watching. Till next time. Boys just got home from school.
It's so cool.
What?
It's so cool.
What? What?
Thank you, Dad.
What? What?
Dirt bike.
What are we looking? What?
Look how it's
What?